2025 will be the year that AI agents transform crypto. There is anticipated impact of AI agents on the cryptocurrency landscape in 2025. While 2024 saw the emergence of AI agents, the real innovations are expected in the coming year. AI agents, which are autonomous programs capable of performing complex tasks, are poised to enhance the crypto ecosystem by scaling human capabilities and driving innovation in finance, gaming, and social platforms. Decentralized financial systems provide an ideal environment for these agents, allowing for seamless transactions and interactions. Key trends for 2025 include increased agent-to-agent and human-to-agent interactions, the dominance of AI agents in financial activities on-chain, and the reshaping of gaming and entertainment through agent-led ecosystems. The rise of AI agents signifies a new chapter for both AI and blockchain technologies, with applications ranging from meme coins to sophisticated financial strategies.